Welcome back to the channel, viewers, subscribers, and pyromaniacs. Another 500 gram edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, keeping the thunder rolling 365 days out of the year. A little Wolf Warrior action brought to you by our friends over at Bright Star Fireworks. 18 shotter 500 grammer. Pretty cool artwork. We have 4 different colors, 9 out of 10 for noise, fan, and straight vertical firing. 165 feet approximate height. Mine effect, strobing mines, 2 gold palms with purple pearls, 2 gold willows with green pearls, alternating with 3-stage whistling tails, brocade crown, 2 chrysanthemum, grand finale. One of the things that really got my attention about this cake was the 3-stage whistling. I'm a sucker for whistling. Take a look under the hood. You can see the angled fire in there. With no further ado, let's get into it. Wolf Warrior Bright Star Fireworks. Nice break. Like the mines on it. Yeah! Beautiful! Through stage whistling. Yeah! Woo! Bright Star Fireworks with the Wolf Warrior. Keeping the thunder rolling.